Welcome to this combined UK drug testing and value med presentation video for the 7-panel Ultra Workplace Drug Testing Kits. The foil is here. It's UK drug testing standard foil, all RCE certification marks along the base with the manufacturer's details, and on the reverse we've also gone to the trouble of giving you simple to follow instructions for use in terms of how to run this test, and some indicative instructions in terms of the dip height for the strips coming out the base of the panel, and the combination, how to read the results. The drug combinations and sensitivities are inkjet printed along the base of this panel, so you can see the screens for cannabis, cocaine, opiates, MDMA, ecstasy, amphetamine, benzodiazepines and methadone, all in ultra sensitive cutoffs. So you'll see this detects cannabis down to 20 nanograms and cocaine down to 100. Compare that with a standard 50 nanogram cannabis and 300 cocaine. You'll see that these will detect at much lower levels. So open the foil, and what do you get? One of these panels, again UK drug testing foil, those drug abbreviations at the head of each of these C and T result windows, and how to interpret the results as negative and positive on the cover. Remove the cover, you've got some lovely wavy lines indicating this is your dip length. I'm going to put this into just a sample of water to demonstrate the test for you now. You need to dip for between 5 and 15 seconds depending on how it absorbs the sample and how deep the sample is. To be honest, if it's a shallow sample as this one is, then it will need to stay in there a little longer to absorb along that wick. If it's covering most of that wick, then it will absorb much quicker. But as soon as you see this pink dye flowing through the results window area, it's okay to remove it and replace the cover. It can be then laid flat, and you're waiting for your control lines to form. And if you've got control lines forming, as you can see on this panel, within about 30 seconds and all your test lines showing, then that is a clear negative result for all 7 of these parameters. And you can interpret it as early as when you've got those control lines showing in the presence of a T line for each of those membranes. But if you haven't got a T line showing against any specific one of those, then you must give it the correct read time of between 8 and a maximum of 10 minutes for that test line to form. And if at 10 minutes, or depending on the read time on the actual specific panel, and this one is 5 to 10 minutes, that you've got a control line showing and no test line showing, then that is a presumptive positive result and non-negative, and that should be confirmed to find out what's causing it. But you'll see just how quickly the C and T lines form with this. It's quite a rapid lateral flow membrane. It's designed to give you rapid negative results in a workplace setting, so you can pass them as fully cleared their drug test and back to work very, very quickly. And there we have nice clear control lines, nice T lines. You will note some variance in the colour density and saturation of those T lines. That is absolutely normal. Thinnest and faintest tends to be the cannabis one on all urine drug tests. But as you can see, we've got a really nice dark T line in this case, and it does give very nice clear indicators and easy to read results. So there you have it, the UK drug testing 7-panel Ultra Workplace drug testing panel demonstrated for you, and it's available to buy in the UK from the UK drug testing kit and value med websites. We'll have links in the description below from YouTube taking you to those websites for options to purchase. Thanks for watching.